Triple check. Triple checking the wax are working, Zig. We'll turn these off. Oh, you can't fucking see out. That's a wank, isn't it? Right, so Zig's asked me to do a little tutorial for your numbing cream. It's my first time as well, so don't worry. No, on me, I've never used it. Right, so I'm using this fucking TKTX shit. Right, before you do use this, I'd recommend that do a patch test, innit? I don't think it has to be on the area that you are tattooing. I mean, it would help. I tried it on my leg, and then I was completely fine. But some people can have some like allergic reactions and shit to it, so you want to make sure that you're all good with it. Are these marks still working? I'm going to check these marks, Zig. Use this video as well though, you have to like do 2 parts in it. Yeah, always do a make sure that's working still, yeah. Always do a patch test just to make sure your skin don't react to it, because if you fucking do it on the day, if you do it on the day and then your skin has some like allergic reaction, your tattoos, like, you can't do it. Make sure you wash your skin in the area that you are having it done first. Make sure it's shaven as well. I ought to shave my head really, but I don't really know how far I'm going up, so if I feel it there, I feel it there, I don't know, that'll be pretty shit. So I'm going to wash my skin down now. You can use like warm soapy water. I'm going to use the 70% that we use for cleaning skin anyway, just because that's like, I don't know, I feel like that works better. Just because it's here, I mean. Like I said, I don't know how far I'm going up with this. Just gonna clean the area down. Ah, fucking burns. I shaved last night, so I mean, not that makes a difference, I don't think. I don't know how far down I need to go with this either, so we will see. Yeah, make sure skin's clean. Oh fuck. Make sure you fucking hell. Yeah, wiping it down now. Make sure you're all clean and that. What? How many minutes am I on? 2. Fucking hell. So yeah, like I say, make sure the area is shaved, cleaned down, just so your numbing cream works like full effect. Bloody hope this works, guys. That's what I'm using. That's the one I'm using, yellow packet. Be careful when you are buying these. There's a lot of fake sellers out there. Could be getting some dodgy stuff, so just be careful. To open it, you take off the white cap, and then there's a little aluminium foil there. With this hole, you literally just puncture it like that, and then you got a little hole. Then just apply it to the area that you want numbing. 2-3 millimeters thick. I'd suggest overdoing it and underdoing it, because you're going to be fucking feeling it. Let's go. I need to take my necklace off. Fuck. I'm wearing gloves for this because I'm in the studio. So. Right, now I've got shit tons of numbing cream on. What you want to do is, you want to wrap it up in cling film and leave it on for about an hour to like an hour and a half, and just wait for you to get numb in it. Keep an eye on it just to make sure nothing is flaring up and shit. This was so hard to put on myself, like behind my head, so if you are going anywhere like where you can't see or can't reach, try to get someone to help you. Wash your hands after. Right, now I'm going to get this wrapped up. Also, before you do use numbing cream, make sure you ask your tattoo artist if he's alright tattooing you with numbing cream on. Some artists don't like it. I can tattoo either way. That sounds so cocky. No. Alright, cling film. Hello. This is not working. If you need help with the wrapping up process, don't be afraid to ask anyone. Bro, how the fuck are you meant to wrap your head? Leave this on for about an hour, hour and a half, like I say. Just beware as well, if you don't put it on correctly or the numbing cream does wear off towards the end of the tattoo will feel quite a bit more painful just because you've gone from 0 to 100 real quick. Bear that in mind when you use it. I'm praying this does its job, because if not, I'm fucked. I can't sweat if I'm not. That's bad. 3 tubes should be enough.